Y'all, this is the wig for me. If you want to see this hair details, keep on watching. Hey y'all, it's Shakira LaQuest. I am here with another video for y'all, and it's another wig one for y'all. Let's get into it. So I was sent this hair by Unice Hair. It is the 22-inch T-lace wig. This is how the construction cap is with 3 combs. This wig is super soft and it's a middle part. These are the goodies that you receive with this wig. You're going to see the wig in a plastic bag, a wig cap, a makeup brush, beautiful eyelashes, a resistance band, a satin bonnet, another resistant band, and a satin bag to hold the wig. This is how it looks on my head, straight out of the packaging. I didn't do anything to it. So within this wig, I am not going to bleach the knots. The knots did look a little bleached for me, and all I'm going to do is just tweeze it just a little bit. This is how it looks in the back. It is very, very beautiful, just straight out of the bag. I'm using my NARS foundation concealer to just tint that lace. This brush actually did come with the wig, and I'm just gently going over that lace with that foundation so that it can match my skin tone. So once I have my desired color of the lace, I'm going to use the Got To Be Ultra Glue Styling Gel to gel my hair back. I'm using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpt Concealer to conceal my middle part to make it more realistic. This is the final result of that concealer. Placing the wig on my head now just to see how it all fits in. Right now I'm just braiding up those baby hairs so that I can just keep them out of my face while I measure where I need to place my gel at. Right now I'm using an alcohol Q-tip to just clean away any of my makeup I have on my face to give me a clean surface. So I'm going in with the Got To Be Ultra Glue Styling Gel on my scalp, on my forehead, not my scalp, on my forehead, doing a thin layer so that this lace can adhere to it. Using a Q-tip to clean away any excess gel that I may have put on my forehead. Now I'm just laying that wig right on top of that gel. You have more leeway just because you have a little bit more time to allow the gel to get tacky so you can maneuver it however you need to. I'm just brushing it back so that it's just completely straight and there's no flyaways on my hair. Going in with that Got To Be Glue Free spray. I get crazy with this spray, but I'm trying to control it, place it on top of that wig as well. So once I have the placement of where I want my lace to lay, I'm just going to use that resistant band over it so I can keep it in place while it dries. So once my lace is dry, I am going to remove that resistant band just to see the placement of everything. I'm going to put my hair back so that I have no hair in the way once I am removing the lace. Gently lifting the lace off my forehead to my desired location, and then I'm just going to go in with some tiny scissors in a zigzag motion to cut that lace. Using a Q-tip with alcohol on it, I am removing any of that excess gel, and then I'm just going right back in with that Got To Be Ultra Styling Gel right underneath the lace where it was lifting up, where I had removed it with the alcohol. So while that gel was getting tacky, I was just thinking about if I wanted to do the baby hairs or not. I really was contemplating, like, should I not? I'm using a rat tail comb to just press on that lace with the gel so that it can melt into my forehead. Using that rat tail comb, just going back in with that Got To Be glued gel to lay the lace again. And really, I'm just like, should I do baby hairs? Should I not do baby hairs? But let this dry real quick first. So just laying that lace back down onto my forehead with the red tail comb. And I'm just making sure that all the lace is down now. And the parts that were like on the ends, I wind up just cutting them off because it wasn't laying how I wanted it to lay. And I'm just getting rid of all of that gel that was left on my forehead with the Q-tip and a alcohol swab. I'm now just combing back my hair, just trying to see just how it looks without baby hair. So the wax stick I'm using is the Care wax stick, and I'm just putting it over my part right now. And then I'm gonna go in with that hot comb and just lay that parts of my hair down flat. So here I am just going in, just making baby hair really thin, and then I'm just going to cut it to my desired length on both sides. Using this thin flat iron, I'm just going to flat iron or curl my baby hair to the back with it, going in with the Tresemme mousse to lay down my baby hair. And once that's laid down, I'm going back in with the resistant band to hold my baby hairs in place. I'm going to fix up again my hair with that Cara Care wax stick, and then go back over it with my hot comb. To bring a little more body into this wig, I am just going to curl the fronts of it. So removing that resistant band, I'm just going to be fluffing up my baby hair because I didn't like it just being stuck to my forehead. I just want it to be flowy and just do their own thing. To blend that lace in even more, I'm going in with the Micro Smooth Press Powder by Sephora. Just brushing the hair out now with those curls. This hair really is beautiful, y'all. Like, it is so soft, and it really is quite simple to put it on. One of those everyday wig looks. But this is how it looks. It's giving body. It's light on your head. It's just a beautiful wig altogether. Y'all, I need to get this wig like today. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.